How to report a player in Sausage Man. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are playing Sausage Man and want to report a player for cheating, abusive behavior, or another violation, then it is super easy to do so. Open up the Sausage Man app and sign into your account first. Now you can go ahead and open up your match history if you want to report a player from a previous game. Or if you want to report someone from your friends list, go to the social tab on the right and click on it. Now find the player you want to report from your friends tab, or you can also select a player from your previous match history. Just go ahead and tap on their name. Now go to the right hand corner and tap on this little button right above the gear button, and this will open the personal info page for that player. Go to the right corner and look for this exclamatory icon. If you want to report this player, just tap on it. And here, select why you are trying to report the person. Choose the region such as hack or cheat, bug exploit, verbal attack, screen flooding, etc. Just select anyone and click on report. But remember, don't go around reporting random people. Just report someone that has really violated some of the rules or shown any kind of a misbehavior and things like that. After clicking the report button, the game's moderation team will review the report and take appropriate action if they find that the player has violated the game's rules. So that's how you easily report someone in Sausage Man. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.